Hey, welcome back. Let's solve a problem on loops today. We need to find the sum of all integers starting from 1 to n. Let's say our n is 5, then we need to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 which is equals to 15. We already solved a problem where we printed numbers from 1 to n. The code looks something like this. We will use the same logic, but this time instead of printing the numbers, we will add them together to find their sum. We will use a variable called sum to store the total. Initially, since we haven't added any numbers yet, the value of sum is 0. Now we start the loop from 1 to n, and instead of printing the number, we will add this number to the variable sum. This addition is stored back in sum. Let's try run this code with n as 5. In the first iteration, the value of I is 1 and sum is 0. We add I to sum, changing the value of sum to 1. In the second iteration, I is 2 and sum is 1. We add I to sum and the new value of sum is 3. In the third iteration, I is 3, we add it to sum, which is 3, and the new value of sum becomes 6. In the fourth iteration, I is 4, we add it to sum, which is 6, and the new value of sum becomes 10. In the final iteration, I is 5, we add this value to sum, which is 10, and the final value of sum is 15. Now we come out of the loop and print the final value of sum, which is 15.